Let's come to next thing. That's the velocity. Now velocity is quite an important fact means in the big data. According to Gartner, velocity means both how fast data is being produced and how fast the data is processed to meet the demand. See, for example, if somebody is doing some credit card transaction or any of the transaction, and if you are capable to process that data and provide the report, provide the results, but it takes some time, say about a minute also. But after a minute, if you are getting that particular report that the last transaction done by this user is fraud, so it's of no use. That transaction has happened. That particular person has done the million or whatever dollar transaction he has done. So it should be as fast as required. In some cases, it's quite okay if you get the result at end of the day. If you get your reports end of the day. In some scenario, take the example of this your stock exchange. You want this particular reports in seconds, even I should say sub-seconds. What's exactly happening, what's exactly the updates, and what is if there is any transactions for fraudulent or not. Analyze customers searching or buying pattern and show them advertisement of attractive offer in real time. So real time, if anybody can explain me the real time analysis, if let me unmute you all since I was speaking continuously. Yes, so guys, I have unmute you all. If you can just tell me what's exactly the real time analysis. This is one of the hottest topic. Anybody want to grab the chance, or should I take the name?
Anish, I want to speak.
Okay.
Hello, Anish.
Yeah, Guru Prasad, tell me.
Yeah, suppose like when we use Myntra.com or Flipkart or whatever e-commerce website we have, as you said, like I've done a lot of transactions in recent days, and when I open my Gmail account, I get loads of messages from these customers, like from these retailers like Myntra, Flipkart, and all showing various discounts and all. And it's all about the products what I purchased last time. And when I log in also they will be showing some attractive, like discount offers to me. So, and this is one experience what I had in recent time, and the other one is YouTube. When you go to YouTube and see something in YouTube, and when you next time log into YouTube, the videos what you have seen last time, so those videos and the related videos to those things will be displayed on your screen. So this is what
I would like to interrupt in between. Actually, you need to come more closer to real time. It's quite near to real time, because you are saying that next time when you came back to the website or YouTube, it's next time might be minutes or days, right? If I say, if example, as soon as I select one product, let's take the example of say Flipkart or say Zubi, any of the website. As soon as I select any product on this, I'm getting some background disturbance from Guru Prasad side. Okay, rather than I'll explain, let me ask you, Ahmed.
Yes. I think real-time analysis is you have very important information, and it needs to be analyzed as soon as possible and give you the result. We can say that like security alerts. If you at the level of home security or the city security, I mean the security is fire alarms, something like that.
Okay. Quite good. Prince?
Yeah.
Any points you
So
would like to
I
add?
think yeah, I think most of the things have been discussed already. But as far as I had noticed, it's very similar to what you just said, that whenever we are visiting to any of the e-card websites, uh, first of all, the first point we notice is that the website is showing us certain recommendation based on our past shopping or our past behavior towards the product which we have been searching around. Second thing, as soon as we select any other product,
I'm getting some disturbance from Guru Prasad. I have muted him. Yeah, Prince, go ahead.
so yeah, as soon as we select any of the product on the screen, what the website does is it immediately produces another offer based on our current selection, which
Exactly.
exactly matches to or in anyhow is dependable upon our current purchases. So
Exactly.
what I think is, let's say if I'm selecting product A and a website is helping me in offering a product B which is very much or if not very much dependable upon the product A. So this is the kind of an sequence or a pattern which the website is helping us in knowing the real-time trading or real-time analysis or something like that.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect example you've given. Shweta? I think you have muted yourself, Shweta. Okay. Okay. Let me mute again. Put all of you on mute. Yeah, Shweta, no issues. So, say for example, on a website, I have selected one item and I have added it to my cart. As soon as I add this item to my cart, I get a notification that if you purchase this also, say for example with a laptop, if you purchase a headphone also, you will get suppose 10% discount. Or say for example, if I have got a very good deal, I'm presenting a e-commerce website. I have the customer has selected a Dell laptop, but I can show him that boss, if you take the HP laptop of the same configuration, I'll give you this much discount. Or I can give him that this is better deal than the Dell laptop. Excuse me. So imagine actually what's exactly happening in the background. As soon as you add any product into your cart, one AJAX request sent to the server. Now at the server end, they will analyze it. Your algorithm will run in the background. Okay, if the user has purchased this, which pattern exactly it's matching, which type of transaction it's matching, depending on all such parameters. Now the server send again a response to the browser, and a pop-up will come that okay, sir, if you purchase this product instead of this, or if you buy these two products together, you will get this much discount, or this is a good deal. So there is a big cycle. Means if I say from your front end to your backend server and your backend server to your analytics system, this request will go from analytics system, that response will come to your server, then again a request will go to your browser, response will go to your browser. So this is quite a big cycle that's happening, because if in the analytics, if I say use the word analytics server, it means my analytics data center, that's computation is quite huge, and all the cycles should happen within a sub-second. Because if I take too much time, if I take a minute, user has already purchased it, user is gone, right? So this is for the real-time analytics. This is the real time that everybody is quite interested. Everybody is quite searching for that. In the real time, if you can do this. Okay, guys. So that's about the velocity. So Till now, is everything clear, or should I unmute you if you have any questions? If I get a smiley from all of you, means all the things are clear. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure, Prince. Let me unmute you. Prince is having some question. Yeah, Prince. You can ask. I think you are mute from yourself also. Your side also.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
So, Anish, we just spoke about the volume and velocity of the data,
Mm-hmm.
and we just spoke about a few of the data trends which we have been seeing in the market, as in telecom data, transactional data also,
Mm-hmm.
which might be in which might be as small as a few kilobytes to as long as petabytes or quadrilytes, something like that. So
Yeah.
does that mean each and every bit of that data is as important for our analysis, analytics also? Because at the end of the day, we are only analyzing the structured data. So what I understand now is we have an unstructured data in front of us. Uh, we need to convert that unstructured data into a format that a system or a human power can understand that, because uh, not every unstructured data can be understood by a machine, or I mean analysis can be done on every unstructured data.
A very good question, I must say. Let me answer this. So it depends on use case to use case. Say for example, if I talk about my purchase transactions, say for example, there I am getting the data in the form of XML as well as some unstructured data is there. So I need to convert that unstructured data into a structured format, and then on the top of that, reporting can be done and all such things can go ahead. But if I talk about, because machine, your reporting machine, say for example, if your visualization machine can't understand the structure, unstructured data. But if I talk about the sentiment analysis, a typical use case which I've just discussed, there the people are tweeting, say, the paragraph in front of you like this. At that time, the data is not converted into a structured format, because you can't convert the totally unstructured data into structured format. So for example, the second paragraph, if you read, scrutinize 5 million trade event created each day to identify the potential fraud. So I can't convert this into a structured data. I need to analyze the data as it is. So I need a tool, I need an application, I need a mechanism with the help of which I can directly get the results from this type of data only. So for this sort of application, you can't convert the data into structured format. You need to analyze your unstructured data only, and you need to generate your reports. You need to give your output from that. Prince, am I answered your question?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So would I be having any questions similar to that or related to that? Would it be fine if I ask this questions later stage or later time?
Sure, no issues. You can, means both the things are quite fine for me. If you can ask in
Okay.
between also, that's quite fine. If you can ask at the end of the session, that's also fine. And even
Okay. Thank you.
after substantial completion, I'll give you a time that if you have any questions, please ask me. So that's all about the velocity. Let's go ahead. Oh, there's one more example. Take the Google's example about processing of the data. Actually, Google is currently, I can say, the mother of all the inventions as well as innovations. If I say I was doing a blogging in 2007, at that time my blog, the blog I post come into the search result was taking around 15 days to come into the search results. But now today, as soon as I post any blog, it will come into search result just after in a sub-second, in milliseconds. Just imagine Google's power of that. It's crawling the complete web, million, billion, trillion transaction, trillion bytes MB GBs of data in seconds. So that's the velocity. You post something, as soon as you after you open the window and you search, you'll find your results in that. So for example, if we search, we just discussed about this point, if we search about traveling, about shopping, electronics, apparel, shoes, watch, anything, or job related things, the relevant advertisement it provides to us while browsing. So for example, if we go to next website and if there is any Google advertisement, then we'll surely get that particular advertisement. All the advertisements are currently content driven. So it's different for me, different for some other. Variety means the different format of the data. Data today comes in all type of